Now I have solved out exercise number 4 of exercise 16.1. I have solved out only the median part, not the frequency and the mean and what else they have asked you. They have asked you to find out the mode. I have not found out all this. I have found out only the median part. Okay. So the first thing that they have given the numbers, they are not in a serial wise. They are in a haphazard way. Now, since they are in a haphazard way, we cannot be able to find out the frequency, or it will be having problem in finding out the frequency and even the median. So, first and foremost thing which we have to do, we have to arrange them in ascending order. So, here's what I have done. I have arranged in an ascending order. Now, while to arrange in ascending order, the best way to not to get wrong, what you do is, you see here, first number is 10. I have written here 10, cut this 10 out. Then you find if there is any more 10. So there is one more 10. Cut this and write it down here. I have written it here. Okay, I have written it already, so I am not writing it again. Then you see after 10, which is the smallest number. You find here is 13. Let's see if there is any other smaller number than 13. No. So here we have 13. Cancel this 13, write 13 here. Again one more 13, cancel this 13, write 13 here. Do it simultaneously, means when you are cutting it, write it down here. Otherwise you will get wrong. Okay. Now after 13, which is the biggest number, is 19 here. Okay, there is no other number, then 19. So 119 I have cut, I have written 19 here. Okay, I am taking it out here. Then we have one more 19. I am cutting this 19. I am taking out here since I have written it. So then here one more 19. I am cutting out here. I have written it here. Then one more 19. I am cutting out here. I have written it here. Similarly, after 19, let's see the number which is comes. Yes, see. We have 120 here. So I have written 20 here. Now after 20, let's find out the number. It's 25. So I cut the 25 here, and so this is the way I have arranged the figures in the ascending number. Now after now we have to count how many observations are there. If you count, you will find there are 20 total. Total number of observation is 20. Now since it is an even number of observation, we have to use the formula t n by 2 plus t n plus 1 by 2 by 2. So what is t? T is the term. T is the term. N is the total number of observation by 2, means the middle term. And this is the middle term plus the next term. Okay. So what will be the middle term here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, mark it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 here and 10 there. So what you have to do, here you will be by finding two middle terms. This one and this one. See, now if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So middle term means what? On both the term which I am taking as middle term, on both sides the number of observations which are there will be of equal number. So now if I take 25 only as a middle term, then here this side what will have it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is unequal. But middle term means both the sides, the numbers on both the sides of the middle term should be equal. So we are taking two middle term. The middle term and the middle term plus 1. So these will be the two middle terms. Okay. Now putting it in the formula, t n by 2 will be putting 25. T n plus 1 by 2 will be putting 26. Now you solve it out, you will get the answer median. Clear? So this is how we find out the middle term, median, for the number of observation if they are even. This is one thing. The second thing is, see, the question here is how many minutes thus the longest and the shortest called last, and also calculate the range. So from here you can find out, or once you have arranged in a ascending order, it will be very easy for you to find out the longest duration and the shortest duration. The shortest duration will always be the first one, and the longest duration will be the last one. Now if you have to find out the range, what you will do, you will just subtract this, you will get the range. That is, here the range will be 31 minus 10, that is 21. Clear? So I hope now you have understood how to find out the median if the numbers are even.